Welcome to Voro Motors. Today you got something very special. We're going to be unboxing the brand new Mantis King GT. If you were a fan of the previous Mantis Pro SE, stick around for the entire video to see the upgrades on this model. So let's get into it. Let's unbox this Mantis King GT.
Now that you have the scooter out of the box, let's go ahead and install the handlebar by tightening the 4 screws located at the top of the stem. And now that you have the scooter out of its box and the handlebar set up, you'll notice that your scooter comes with 2 chargers, Kaabo sticker, your toolkit, nut covers, and your user manual. So now, let's go over the features on this brand new Mantis King GT. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn on your scooter. To do this, you will need to hold the power button located on the back of the button module to turn on the brand new TFT display. Now that you're on the main screen, you will notice that it displays the miles per hour, what mode you're in, battery life, voltage, and other useful trip information on the screen. You can easily change the mode you're in by simply pressing on the plus and minus button symbols. Below that, you also have your lights, turn signals, and horn. If you press the light button on the button module, you will notice that it will illuminate the headlight, the front deck lights, the rear deck lights, and the RGB LED lights along the sides of the deck. We also made an adjustment and lowered the placement of the headlight. That way, it doesn't interfere with the TFT display when you need to fold your scooter. Also, if you take a look at the right-hand side of the handlebar, you will see that the Mantis King GT comes equipped with a thumb throttle compared to the finger throttle on the original Mantis. Similar to the original Mantis, the Mantis King GT deck comes with a really nice silicone finish, but this time with an upgraded design on top. Another cool feature on the Mantis King GT is that it comes with adjustable suspension. You can adjust it by turning the small red knobs on the suspension. And lastly, we changed the placement of the charging ports and moved them towards the bottom of the stem, making them more accessible and easier to charge your scooter. Now that we went over the features, let's take this beast of a scooter out for a spin.